So, welcome to another chapter of how to survive an apocalypse through gardening. So, in the last chapter, we have introduced hydroponics, what the system is all about, what are the different types of systems that you can also create. And now, let's have this chapter entitled Create Your Own Hydroponic System Now. At the end of this chapter, it is expected that you will have a deeper knowledge on how to create your own hydroponic system. May it be something that you will purchase online, or may it be something that will be recycled from common household materials that you have. So in this chapter, we will have an overview of the materials, what are the different parts of the hydroponic system. I know that I have already introduced some of them in our first chapter, but now we will go much more in detail. How can you create those in terms of their availability in your house? What are the different things in your household that you can recreate and transform them into your hydroponic system? So first, we need to answer the question, why should you start to create your own hydroponic system? Of course, the aim of this course is to achieve food security, and having your own hydroponic system can help in doing that. Of course, there are other forms of gardening or even food security measures that you can do besides hydroponics. Like, for example, if you have a backyard garden, that is a perfect way in order for you to have unlimited supply of food. Just of course, you need to maintain it. You just need to have a hand in terms of the caring of your hydroponic crops. In hydroponics, we are taking advantage of the system being a low maintenance system. Another thing that we are taking advantage of is that plants in hydroponic system actually grow faster compared to those in the soil conditions or in soil gardening. And another one is that the presence of pests and diseases. Later on in the next chapters, we will be talking about the major problem in hydroponics or the major pest that you will be dealing with. And that is in contrary with soil gardening, wherein you will have to deal with a lot of pests like weeds. You you're gonna deal with plant pathogens, and you will also be dealing with insects. So again, in hydroponic systems, we are taking advantage of it being a controlled environment system. Okay, so you can manipulate everything that your plant will receive. So what are the major materials that we need for our hydroponic system? First, of course, we need a growing bucket. So in more technical term, it is called the nutrient reservoir, wherein that will be the place of your nutrient solution. So that will be the first nutrient reservoir. And of course, the nutrient solution. So this nutrient solution is actually just composed of uh, water and your nutrient solution. So together, it will be the nutrient water or nutrient solution. Next, we also have the net pots or net cups, as you may call them. Net cups or net pots are used to provide a place where you can put your plant. So it functions like a normal pot in the garden. Another is, of course, the growing medium. The growing medium is the one who will provide support and anchorage on your hydroponic plant. Let's say, for example, you will be planting tomatoes. So the tomatoes, as we know, or if you don't know yet, are really tall. It grows a lot in terms of its height. And you will need something to hold that together or to act as a support. And the growing medium will actually play that role. And of course, we will have our plant. So for the next chapter, we will be discussing more on the different crops that are suitable for hydroponics and could be which one could be better for you. So in hydroponic journey, you don't need to like plant a lot of plants all at once. You just need to try them one at a time. So in this case, you will be able to gauge if a certain crop is good for you or it is not good for you. Do you need that crop? Or is it easy to maintain? Does it fit your own schedule? Of course, this will be very helpful for those who are really working. If you have an 8 to 5 job, you know, having a hydroponic system will actually help you because it erases the worry that, oh, I need to water my plants and such. So, yeah. So, for the next chapters, we will be dealing with each one of those and we will discuss them in detail what their roles are, how to purchase them, or how could you uh put your creativity onto the test, and just made it craft using simple household materials. So see you in the next lesson.